Hello students, welcome back. So in this video we will discuss introduction to statistic. So statistic is a branch of mathematics which deals with grouped or ungrouped number, in which we determine the central tendencies of the data. So in this module we will discuss the numerical representation of grouped data, namely mean, median and mode. Now first, mean. The mean is the sum of values of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. For class 10, mean, that is x bar, can be determined using three methods. Okay, so mean is the sum of values of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. So first method is direct method, that is given by x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi. So first method is direct method. You need to multiply fi, that is frequency, into xi, that is the middle, या फिर we can say average of class intervals upon summation of sigma fi. Now second method is assumed mean method, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where a is assumed mean, di is equal to xi minus a. So this is another method that is called assumed mean method, that is a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where di is xi minus a. So you need to subtract xi from the assumed mean. Okay, now see step deviation method. Step deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, where a is assumed mean, ui is equal to xi minus a by y is equal to xi minus a upon h, and h is equal to class size. Okay, you can determine class size by subtracting the higher number of the class interval with the smallest number of the given class interval. Okay, also ui is a term which is xi minus assumed mean upon class size. So you need to determine these values and put this value in the given equation, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So these are the three methods by which you can determine mean in class 10. Okay, now moving on to second, mode. The mode for grouped data can be found out using the formula mode. It can be represented as z, which is equal to L plus bracket f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h, where these terms in the given equation is listed down, that is L is equal to lower limit of model class, h is equal to class size, f1 is equal to frequency of model class that we have chosen, fo is frequency of class preceding the model class, f2 is frequency of class succeeding the model class. जब हम टेबल बनाएंगे मोड फाइंड करने के लिए, तो हमको जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज जो सबसे बड़ी दी है वो हमको सिलेक्ट करनी है f1, उसके ऊपर वाली, जस्ट ऊपर वाली, उसको लेंगे हम fo, f0 या fo, और f1 के जस्ट नीचे वाली उसको लेंगे f2. ओके, होप इट इज़ क्लियर. सो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला, z इज इक्वल टू l प्लस f1 माइनस fo अपॉन 2f1 माइनस f0 माइनस f2 into h. नाउ moving on to third, median. The median for grouped data is formed by using the formula median is equal to m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into h. So in this formula, one term, that is cf, is new, so we'll see it in the below given description, where L is equal to lower limit of median class. So L is lower limit of median class, n by 2 is half of total frequency number. You need to sum up the frequency and divide it by 2, then we will get n by 2. Cf is cumulative frequency, f is frequency of median class, h is equal to class size. So जब मीडियन फाइंड करने का आएगा तो आपको क्लास इंटरवल और फ्रीक्वेंसी दी जाएगी. यू नीड टू डिटरमाइन क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बाय एडिंग द गिवन फ्रीक्वेंसीज one by one. Okay, so you will get CF from that, n by 2, L, F and H. Okay, so now moving on to the notes that we need to remember. First, cumulative frequency can be determined by adding the frequencies of all the class preceding the given class. So cumulative frequency टेबल में अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी दी है 5, 6 और 7, सो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में सबसे पहले 5 लिखना है, उसके बाद 5 + 6 दैट इज़ 11, देन 11 + 7 दैट इज़ 18. सो likewise you need to precede and add the frequencies, so you will get cumulative frequency. टेबल मिल जाएगा cumulative frequency का. Second is the relation between mean, median and mode can be given as z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. बोर्ड में ये रिलेशन पूछा जाता है या फिर इसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. सो हियर देर आर 3 अननोन क्वांटिटीज z, m and x bar. So you will be provided with 2 quantities, that is either z, either m or either x bar. 3 में से कोई 2 दी जाएगी और एक पूछी जाएगी. So this relation is important which relates mean, median and mode. So hope you like this video. So like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.